Hey crew, today's video will be baby lima beans, and here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have salt, black pepper, Trinity seasoning, white bean seasoning. We have our baby lima beans. We have our seasoning blend. We have smoked neck bones and smoked sausage. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our baby lima bean video. Alright, cool. Before we move to the next step of our baby lima bean video, I just want to say that these beans, you can soak them overnight or soak them for a couple hours, or you can do a quick rinse on them and pick out the beans that don't look good to you. That way your beans, don't have no problem. So I'm gonna clean my meat, then I'm gonna put my meat in the pot, and I'm gonna let that boil for a couple hours. But I'm gonna make sure I show y'all that, who don't not put water in the pot and add meat. It's simple, that easy. So y'all hold on. Alright y'all, so I got my neck bones washed off, and I'm simply just gonna put them in the pot. And I'm only gonna do those 4 pieces right there. I'm going to go in with 4.5 cups of water. Alright, so we got our smoked neck bones in our pot. We're gonna go in with a tablespoon of salt and a tablespoon of black pepper. Alright, so we're simply going to bring this to a boil and let it cook down for 1.5 to 2 hours until it's fork tender. Okay, so moving right along, I let all the water boil down, and I'm going to add another 4.5 cups of water to the pot. And now we're going to go in with our 2 packs of baby lima beans. And we're also going to go in with our 1 box of Zatarain's white bean seasoning. We're going to bring this to a boil, and when it comes to a boil, I'll be back. So our beans has finally came to a boil. We're going to put the top on it. We're going to put it on a medium, low heat. We're going to let these beans go for 1.5 to 2 hours. So while the beans are still cooking, we're going to move on to the next step of this video with our smoked sausage and our seasoning. So 1 second. So we're going to jump into the second half of this video. Like I said, while the beans are boiling, we're going to get our smoked sausage together. You can use andouille sausage if you want to, or you can use any regular smoked sausage. So we have 2 full links here that we're going to cut up. So we're going to cut them like this. And I don't want to bore y'all to death. Also, if you look in the market looking for a knife, this knife is on my Amazon affiliate link. It's by Fizz K. Lee. My link will be in the description box below. Click that, and there's a bunch of kitchen gadgets and other stuff in there that you can check out. So we're gonna go in with a half a stick of unsalted butter. And our smoked sausage. We just want to render the fat down just a little bit. Then we're going to go in with our seasoning blend.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because.
So I'm going to let this render down some and I'll be back. So we allowed the fat to render down some. We're going to go in with 2 cups of our seasoning blend.
I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when
And 1 tablespoon of our Trinity seed.
don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots.
Y'all see all that?
So I know you got
The fun on the bottom, we want that off the bottom of the pan. It's flavor.
You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself.
So I'm gonna put this on a low and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes.
Say I told you so. I told you so.
Alright crew, so we're gonna check on the beans. And right here, I went in with 2 1/4 cup of water to add back to the beans because they have been boiling down. Alright y'all, so y'all know beans love water, so we're going to go in with another 2 1/4 cup of water. So I did go in with another 4 1/2 cups of water. In total, it was 15 3/4 cup of water that I added, and the whole cooking process was 3 1/2 hours. And I did remove the neck bones after I added the last bit of water. Okay crew, so we in the home stretch of our baby lima beans. I took the neck bones out of our pot over here from the beans, and I removed all the meat from the neck bone, and I put it in here with our smoked sausage. So this is what we look like with all our seasoning and all our smoked neck bone and smoked sausage.
I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work.
This our beans.
Shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living for manifest. You'll get your dreams.
We're gonna add our meat into the beans.
So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself.
And y'all see that I got all that fun out the bottom of that pot.
Working hard just so I can say I told you so. I told
We're
you
simply gonna mix the meat into our beans. Alright, so we're gonna let this simmer 10 more minutes. Then we're gonna put it in a bowl with our rice. And we'll have our lima beans with smoked neck bones and smoked sausage. Okay crew, so we have our baby lima beans with smoked neck bone and smoked sausage in a bowl over rice. I'm gonna give y'all that famous close up. Then we're gonna let Queen try it and she's gonna give y'all her honest opinion. Okay, crew, so we're gonna jump into the taste test with Queen.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing today?
Got that smoked neckbone and smoked sausage in there.
I just want to taste the beans first. Y'all know I normally make the beans, either me or mama, so I was kind of giving him a hard time. But he came through. Uh-oh, let me see. Yeah, you did that. Let me taste the sausage. It's hot, y'all. Okay. I mean, you got me up. You did that, baby. That's good. If I gotta explain to y'all all the seasonings and the meaty flavor and the smoke from the neck bone, it's just it's perfect. It's just that old school butter beans.
And the crazy thing about it, I only put 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 packet of the white bean seasoning, and no more seasoning.
Yeah. Yeah, that's how I do, man. Look at you learning. Teach your man. I was just playing, y'all. So that's how we do. We only use 1 seasoning because, like he told y'all, it has enough. But this is perfectly seasoned. You don't need anything. But I just need some white bread. That's all. White bread.
White bread over there.
I'm gonna go eat, y'all. It's good, baby.
Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on the video. Also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.